Namaskar students. Now as we have learned how to arrange the integers in increasing and decreasing order, so now again we will learn how to find the integers using the number line. So here I'll take one example, 2 more than 4. Which is that integer which is 2 more than 4? Now from this concept, first of all we have to understand more than. Anywhere if we see the word more than, that means you will be having more. Whatever number you will be having, you will be having more than that. And anytime if you are having more than, that means it will go on increase. And the increasing numbers, as the numbers are increasing, that means we have to mark on right hand side. So here we will start with the number line. We have to draw a number line where we'll be showing the positive integers and the negative integer. Of course more than 4, so we have to mark some of the numbers greater than 4 so that easily we can calculate the answer. Now we will start our number line. We will start our journey from point 4. More than 4, we will start our journey from point 4. How much more? 2 more. So we will take 2 jumps to find what is 2 more than 4. So we will reach to 6. So here 2 more than 4 is 6. Now I'll take one more example. 2 more than minus 3. Again more than a negative integer. Doesn't matter whether it's positive or negative. We have to understand the concept of more. Anytime if you are having more, that means we have the number will go on increase. We have to move on right hand side where we are marking the successors. So minus 3. Now we'll start our journey from minus 3. So more than, we have to move more than on right hand side. So how much more? 2 more. So 1, 2. So reach to minus 1. So 2 more than minus 3 is minus 1. Now I'll take some more examples. Now it's 4 less than 3. Anytime if you are having less, that means whatever you are having, you will be getting less. So if we are getting less, that means we have to mark it on left hand side. So we will start our journey from 3 and we have to mark the numbers more on left hand side. So we'll start our journey from point 3 and now how much less? 4 less. So 1, so it is 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4 less. So here we reach to point minus 1. So 4 less than 3 is minus 1. Now one more example, 4 less than minus 1. So again we'll take it with the help of number line. Minus 1, that means we have to mark again less than. We will be moving on left hand side where the number goes on decrease. So we will take it more numbers on left hand side, here 0 and some of the positive integers on the number line. Now we'll start our journey from minus 1. Now minus 1, how much less? 4 less. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I reach to minus 5. So 4 less than minus 1 is minus 5. So this is the way how we come to an integer, how we mark it an integer, or how we calculate an integer using more than and less than, again with the help of the number line. Thank you.